Hey all, Kat here. Here's how to play a B flat chord on your ukulele. Ukulele wine time! In this video, I'm going to show you obviously how to play the chord. I'm going to tell you what notes are in the chord, and then we'll do a little bit of practice together. All right, so this is a 3-finger chord on your instrument. Okay, so ukulele fingers, 1, 2, 3. We don't need 4 or pinky today, just these 3. So we're going to start with 3 and build up. All right, so your 3rd finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of your G string. Your 2nd finger, 2nd fret of your C string. Now, your 1st finger is going to do a half bar, which means you're going to push down more than one string at the same time on the 1st fret of your E and your A string. Okay, so this is a good thing to just practice on its own. I'm using this finger, pushing down both of those. See if you can just get a clear sound on those. And my thumb's in the back middle. I'm pushing all the way down on the wood, and you can even roll your finger to the side just a little bit to get more power there. Okay, so once you've got that, that's your B flat major chord. All right, troubleshooting. I do recommend if you're hearing a buzz, go through each one of your strings and making sure each one is ringing clear. If one of them is buzzing, then you can troubleshoot there. Am I pushing all the way down to the wood? Am I using the tips of my fingers? Is my bar strong enough? All right, what notes are you actually playing? What notes make up the B flat major chord? So this is a triad, but you're playing 4 notes because we have 4 strings, right? So one of those is going to be doubled. Let's find out. So my first note here, that's your root, that's your B flat. Okay, so it's 3rd fret of your G string is B flat. The next note, so the notes that make up the chord are B, D, and F. All right, so this next one is your D. That's the 2nd fret of your C string. So I got B flat, D, and then this one here is F, the 1st fret of your E string. And then when we do the 1st fret of A string, that's another B flat, so we're doubling that B flat. Hear it? Same note. So B flat, D, F, and B flat. Let's do a little bit of practice. We're just going to play downstrokes. All right, you can use your thumb or you can use your pointer finger. I'm going to count to 4 and we're just going to play on beat 1 and hold the chord. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When folks join my Patreon, there's a welcome survey, and you can ask questions or request topics. And I surprisingly get so many requests for B flat practice. So I want to show the chord B flat, and then we're going to do a little bit of practice. There's also another video that you can check out after this video where we're going to practice a chord progression using B flat. Here's one more practice exercise. I always recommend this when you're learning a brand new chord, just learning where your fingers are going. So this is called the tap method. It's going to help with muscle memory and just really solidifying you being able to play this chord. Your brain's going to love it. So the idea is with my chord hand, all right, I'm going to play the chord, and then with this hand, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to tap my leg, and then I'm going to bring it back up. Okay, so that's level 1, just doing that and going back. Level 2 is doing it at a steady tempo or a steady beat. So I'm going to count to 4. On beat 1, I'm going to play the chord. On beat 2, I'm going to tap my leg. And then I have beats 3 and 4 to travel back up to find the chord. Here's what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I hope this helped you feel more confident playing a B-flat chord on your ukulele. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to put this into a chord progression and get even more practice. By the way, if you're a beginner, brand new to the ukulele, check out my Ukulele Basics for Beginners course. It has everything you need all in one place to build a strong foundation, feel really confident, get a good start on the instrument. There's a workbook, there's 5 modules. I'm really proud of this course, so check it out. There's a link below and there's a discount code as well. If you want to learn more with me, you can also check out my Patreon page. Be sure to check out the Ukulele Wine Club tier. Wine is not necessary. You can drink tea or water. If you want to learn with me and get even more inspiration and accountability and a positive group to share ideas and learn with. All right, I'll see you soon. Cheers! Ukulele wine time!